Welcome to my natural hair journey. I'm Joy. I've been natural since 2015. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Hey y'all, so today I'm doing a collaboration with TRÉLUXE. You guys may have seen them on Instagram at Discover TRÉLUXE. Right now I'm just in the shower, drenching my hair in water, getting it all wet so I can get it ready to put the shampoo in. And it takes me a while to get all of my hair wet, so this took me about 5 minutes to do, and I shortened it for y'all, of course. And I just do this until I feel like my whole head is wet and has enough water on it. So I'm going in now with the Curl Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse, which is the shampoo. And I focus it on my scalp and I hold my hair tight at the bottom. At least I try to the whole time. So my hair I can prevent any tangling or anything. So if you have like type 4 hair and your hair is prone to tangling, this is what you should do when you're doing the shampooing part. And it smelled really good. I really like the smell of that. It wasn't like too strong. Now I'm making sure I'm getting the middle of my hair washed. Well, yeah, cleansed. And this shampoo really did feel like it was cleansing my hair. Some parts felt like more cleansed than others. Not like strip, but like where you can like feel that your hair is clean. Like. So now my hair is clean. I did the first wash and I'm about to shampoo it again. Not because I felt like my hair wasn't clean the first time, but because I like to detangle my hair before I put in the leave-in conditioner. And this line didn't have a regular conditioner. You're supposed to go straight to the leave-in after you shampoo. So I needed to fully detangle my hair. And I mean, a leave-in is for detangling, but like I said, I have a method, so I like to stick to my method. But anyway, and this is how I used to shampoo my hair anyway, in sections, until I learned that I could wash my hair as a whole and cut down on wash day time. Because I literally used to fully detangle my hair before I got in the shower and put it in sections before I actually got in the shower to wash my hair. But I found a new method that also works for me and I haven't looked back since. And now I'm just washing the shampoo out of each section before I move on to putting the leave-in in. And I'm just going to do like this half of my head on camera, and then I'm going to go off camera to finish the other half of my head. And I only use a comb in my hair when it is already put into sections. And I also only use a comb when I feel comfortable enough that I finger detangle enough that I won't just be like breaking my hair off with the comb, like just dragging it. And it looks like I'm dragging it through my hair, but I promise you I am not. And as you guys know, if you been watching my channel for a while, I am tender-headed, so any little thing I do to my hair, I'm making faces just like as anybody else was doing my hair. So yeah. So now we are moving on to the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm definitely going to use a generous amount like I always do on all of my hair. And the smell caught me off guard if you just saw my face just now. It smelled like potpourri. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever been to a garden ridge and you know how like that smell that garden ridge has. That was that smell. Like, it smelled like potpourri. I didn't really care for the smell at all. But I did love this leave-in conditioner. It made my hair feel like velvety soft. I don't know if that makes sense, and I don't know if you guys have ever felt that feeling if you put like any product in your hair, but it made my hair feel so soft. I didn't like the smell, but I did love what it did for my hair. So I definitely would use this again. I mean, I'm not used to like skipping the regular conditioner, but this leave-in conditioner definitely worked. And actually, they didn't have a deep conditioner either for this line, so I was really skeptical, but I wanted to use it the way that they said use it. So I didn't use any of my other like products with it. I really wanted to let you guys know how this stuff really works. So now I'm done putting the leave-in on my whole head, and now we're about to start styling. And first we are going to need hot water, aloe juice, a wide tooth comb, Tangle Teezer, and their Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream. So now I'm just taking out this twist. Only thing in my hair is the leave-in, and look at that definition, y'all. My hair felt so good, and I was so surprised. I'm like, bro, I ain't used no regular conditioner. I ain't used no deep conditioner. They got me going straight to leave-in. Like, I don't know how this gonna work, but actually, it worked really good. So first I'm going to spray some hot water on my hair to make sure my hair cuticles are still open. If not, to open them back up. So then I'm going to put the cream that they sent, which is the 4-in-1 Curl Supreme cream. And now I'm going to be using my Tangle Teezer that I just bought from the beauty supply store. I think I'm going to invest in a real one. But anyway, so yes, I'm just making sure my hair is fully detangled. As always, I'm adding more water, and then I'm actually going to add more cream. Also, y'all know I'm heavy on the product, very heavy-handed. And I define my curls. If you guys have seen any of my twist out videos, any of my braid out videos, I define my curls before I start twisting. I found that this makes the end product come out popping like each time. Like, it's always gonna come out popping. Like, even if you have any frizz or anything, it's going to come out popping. The definition is gonna be popping. Popping, popping, popping. But anyways, look at my hair. Look at that. So now I'm just spraying my hair with cold aloe juice to seal in the moisture. And I'm also defining my curls again to get ready to do this braid or plait, as my mom would say. And I braid underhanded. I don't think it makes a difference for how the braid out comes out, but I just wanted to let you guys know if it looks kind of weird of the way that I'm braiding, because I'm taking the hair behind the other hair and grabbing. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to have a closer look at what I'm doing and how I'm grabbing the hair if you guys have never done a braid out. And to do the ends of my hair, I'm going to do a Bantu knot, because I found that the Bantu knot is better than even just coiling the bottom. The Bantu knot ensures that you have definition at the bottom, like no matter what, and it doesn't get flattened when you go to sleep on your twists or braids, because sis, I know what happens at night when you go to sleep on those twists. But anyway, so we're doing the same thing all over again. The hot water, the cream, the Tangle Teezer, the defining the curls again using the praying hands method, probably adding some more of the cream, and then sealing the hair with the cold aloe juice. I did want to let you guys know that the name of this bundle is called the Healthy and Hydrated Curls Bundle. And in one of their Instagram posts, it says, if you've been suffering from breakage, dryness, or wiry feeling curls, then consider switching up your routine. Drop the oils completely. Turn to water-based products that are high in moisture and include ingredients lightweight enough to penetrate past your hair's cuticle layer to moisturize where it really counts. Don't worry, our Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream includes the perfect blend of natural oils to seal in moisture for long-lasting hydration. Give this product trio a try for 2 weeks and see the difference. And y'all, I was thinking, when I read the post, I was like, okay, whatever. Like, what y'all mean? Like, I don't have no conditioner, no deep conditioner, or no oils. Like, what? But y'all, my hair has been moisturized for an entire week without any of my usual, my usual routine. So, it works. It's true. Now, I'm definitely not saying get rid of your other products that have like deep conditioners, and oils and stuff, because I'm definitely not giving up mine. But I do know that when I'm having like a lazy wash day week, I'm definitely going to use this because I know that it's going to keep my hair hydrated until that next week. Now, this is me showing y'all how I grip the hair in the front. This is where I had postpartum shedding after I had baby Logan. So yeah, that is slowly but surely growing back. But anyway, I have to really focus when I do the front so I can make sure it stays inside of the braid or twist. So I was just showing you guys the definition and the shine that it had before I actually start separating. And now I'm just showing y'all how I took down the braids, and I just pull down on the band 2 knot, and then I find where the sections of hair are, and I try to pull them gently so I don't disturb the curl. And I know y'all heard it all the time, like, oh, don't disturb the curl. But no, really, don't disturb the curl, sis. Especially if your hair is like mine, that's prone to frizz, like, period. I try not to disturb that curl at all, and I love when it does that. It makes it so much easier to take a loose my braids when I can find that spot where it just unravels itself. So this is all of the braids taken down, and some people might stop right here because that definitely looks cute, but I fully take mine down, and this is how I do. I run my finger down the hair so it can start to separate it, and also to separate the coil or band 2 knot at the bottom, so it doesn't cause frizz when I'm pulling it loose like this. But look at it, it's separating so beautifully, so beautifully. And when you're braiding, you also want to make sure you don't grab like any like random strands from another section, because that'll make frizz when it's time to do this, the first pull down part, and definitely like this pull down part. But anyways, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did smaller sections than I usually do when I do my braid outs. And that's because the front of my hair is wavy, unlike the back is curly, but the front is just wavy. And so I tried to do smaller braids to create more definition in the front. But anyways, it's all done. I'm feeling myself. Y'all don't even know I'm about to go to a cookout and I'm feeling myself. Hey girl. Y'all, look at that shine. And I didn't use any oils. All I used was their cream. Thanks for watching. Whoa.